Here's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Doors and push-button start proximity key. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. External memory control. Wireless phone connectivity. Dual zone climate control. V6 engine. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. And memory exterior door mirror settings. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. The time is now. See it for yourself today.